Residual income versus passive income is what I'm gonna talk to you about in this video. Hello, Tommy Olsson here. Thanks for tuning in. Residual income and passive income has its similarities, but it's not the same thing really. A residual income can be an investment into a project that makes you money, and when all expenses are paid in that project during a time, then you get to keep what's left over, so to say, that you made in profit. Passive income can be, for instance, several things, but it can be an online business where you make an investment there too, and then you sponsor new members into your business, and as long as they stay paid members, you earn passive income once a month, for instance, as long as they are paid members. Now, residual income can become passive income. I thought I should share a business I'm a member of that helps you create passive income from just $1. You get paid $1 and get access to the whole system, so that you can start making commissions for a full 30 days, and then you can start earn $197 commissions. You don't need to worry about setting up sales funnels or capture page or something like that. It's all already set up for you. And here's some testimonials from members. More testimonials there. Here, more testimonials. You can check them out for yourself through clicking the link below. So who will this work for? It will work for coaches, stay-at-home parents, affiliate marketers, side hustlers, dropshippers, wedding planners, truckers, special unicorn mentors, Amazon FBAs, massage therapists, lawyers, CPAs, course creators, photographers, influencers, personal trainers, dietitians, estheticians, consultants, digital marketers, copywriters, graphic designers, and you too. So what do you get for this $1? Here more case studies, testimonials from students. So when joining for $1, you get instant access to 90-day cash flow program, has a value of $4,997. Weekly accountability calls has a value of $497. And Facebook lead generation tool has a value of $997. And the funnel builder, $3,997 value. And then we have a bonus. Facebook Mastery has a value of $397, how to profit and generate leads through Facebook. So if you want to get started making those, click the one link below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.